how to customize subtitle appearance on Crunchyroll. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we will be teaching you step by step, so let's just get started. First of all, you need to head over to crunchyroll.com and open it up, and once you are there, you can basically locate up your profile, this interface on your screen. And the thing is, you need to head over to your settings in order to customize your subtitles. Locate up your profile in the top right corner, drop it down and locate up settings option within the menu and open it up. And once you open it up, here we will be finding general different options. Look out for preferences option, and when you head over to preferences, you will be finding the display language, the subtitle that you can use. You can drop it down and select the language that you would like to customize it into. After that, you can even select the audio language that you prefer. After that, we even have the option of audio description. You can turn this option on and it will automatically play audio descriptions when available. And the thing is, we can change captions appearance, we can customize it, but that is only available for closed captions. So you may turn this option on, and when you do so, you will be finding this orange icon with change captions appearance. Click on it, open it up, and when you do, you will be finding the appearance section here. Now here we can customize it. We can have this font section here. You can select what kind of font you would like, the casual, cursive, small caps, etc. After that, you can select up the opacity about the subtitles, like if you would like to 25%, about 7500, etc. Once this is done, you can head over to background section and select up like what background color you would like, white or black or any other color available. After that, the opacity for that as well, and your window screen, like white or black, and then you can just go ahead and select it up. Opacity for this one as well, and then click on confirm it, and it should basically customize your subtitles for your Crunchyroll. And that is it. So you may also follow up the same process if you would like to customize the subtitle in Crunchyroll. You can continue watching and you should be finding the customization being applied to your subtitles. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below. And we will be seeing you in another video.